The World Cup is here and millions tune in to their TV just a few hours ago for the first match. We saw Ecuador and Qatar, with Ecuador becoming victorious. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV World Cup Report and we'll be right back. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV World Cup. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV World Cup Report. The Ecuadorian emerged victorious after the whistle at the 95th minute, signaling the first match of the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar. For the latest, let's go over to one of our correspondents who is on location.
The World Cup is underway with the biggest tournament in the sporting world taking place in Qatar and the hosts facing Ecuador after an eye-catching opening ceremony. Enter Valencia scored a first-half double as Ecuador overwhelmed hosts Qatar on their way to a routine 2-0 win in the opening game of the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Valencia had an early header ruled out for a marginal offside call against teammate Michael Estrada by a questionable review, but he did not have to wait long to celebrate after winning and coolly converting a 16th-minute penalty. Link's W07 TV will have daily coverage of World Cup 2022. Thanks for watching.